Hey there, pretties! Today, we're going to dive into the world of pudding, a delicious and versatile dessert that's perfect for any occasion. So, let's get started. Pudding is a dessert that's been around for centuries, and it's a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth. It's made by thickening a liquid, usually milk, with a starch, such as cornstarch or flour. This creates a creamy, smooth texture that's perfect for dessert. There are many different types of pudding, from classic vanilla to chocolate, toffee, and even fruit-flavoured pudding. The possibilities are endless. One of my personal favourites is chocolate pudding, which is rich, creamy, and just the right amount of sweet. Pudding is also a great way to use up leftover ingredients. For example, if you have some leftover milk, you can make pudding by adding a little bit of cornstarch and heating it up. You can also add some fruit or nuts to give it some extra flavour and texture. Pudding is also a great way to get kids to eat their fruits and vegetables. You can make a fruit pudding by blending some fruit, adding a little bit of cornstarch, and heating it up. This is a great way to get kids to eat their fruits and veggies without them even realising it. So, there you have it, folks. Pudding is a delicious and versatile dessert that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're making a classic vanilla pudding or getting creative with fruit pudding, it's a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth. Thank you for joining me on this delicious journey, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tasty recipes and